Hey everybody, welcome to Hodl and Shill. I'm Cryptic Columbus, and today is week 3 of our RNS.ID follow along. So if you're new here, this is just a follow along. I am in the process of using RNS.ID to get my digital residency to Palau. I was already accepted, and currently the ID is printing. So in the printing phase, the ID is sent for printing, and as soon as it is done and ready, it is then put inside of a welcome packet and a welcome kit, and it'll be shipped, and they will send a tracking label to let me know what the tracking number is and follow it until it arrives here. So we're just waiting for the printing to get done and have it shipped, and then as soon as it gets here, we'll be able to use it. So not a very long update, but an exciting update to just be waiting for the printing to get done. I will keep you in the loop, and there is a bunch of videos about all things RNS.ID in a playlist. I will link to them below, and if you have any questions, you can leave those in the comments below. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.